Hello page and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana and today I want to share with you some information that you can actually use to boost the traffic to your website. So I'm going to be covering your homepage, the Google Business Profile and backlinks. Let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the links to your social media accounts, click to call buttons for each of the locations that you operate in, a brief intro to the company, some of the testimonials and review, and I guess some of the reasons why people should choose to work with you. In the footer, you have the site directory. So there are a few comments that I have, or a few suggestions that I have for you to improve the user experience, and it's just to add a contact us form at the top. Just make it very easy for anyone using a mobile phone to reach out to you. Um, and also talking about the content, everything that you have in here is considered content. So let's have a look. And Google, what is constantly doing, Google is using its bots to crawl the website to understand each one of the websites. And then when someone performs a relevant search, then Google will um, bring up all of these results and will rank them. So it's important that you use every single bit of information in your website to signal to Google what type of service or company or website this is about. So let's have a look at this. Save image as GR Home P. Okay, looks like you are using some sort of coding, but perhaps think about using potential buyer intent keywords. Now in here, you could add more content by adding a brief description of the services that you provide. Right now, your homepage has around 417 words. Content is important because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. Let's have a look at at one of your competitors. Two, HKC Roofing and Sheet Metal. These guys have an 853 words on their homepage, and Deep Park Roofing they have 1709 words. So definitely an opportunity for you there just to outrank your competitors by adding more content. And for example, to be optimized for Google, you want to be between 1500 and 2000 words. So definitely something to consider. Let's come here to Google search. I came in and I typed Cincinnati roofers, which is a bio intent keyword. And the first section that we usually see is the Google Ads or Google Guaranteed. This section is really good to drive traffic, but it can be very expensive if it's not done correctly. The second section is the Google Map Pack, and this section is driving between 30 to 40% of the traffic. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile. They need to be an exact match for Google to verify them and to rank you in one of these top 3 positions. The third section is the Google Organic Search. Here is where I found your competitor, so HKC Roofing. And to rank here, you first need a safe, responsive, and well-built website in terms of content. So once you have that, then Google will rank you according to many factors, but one of the most important ones is the backlinks. So to analyze that, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and right now I am looking at your website and I can see that there are 253 external websites directing or pointing traffic to your website through 1006 links. HKC Roofing, they have 270 external websites directing traffic to their website through 2340. And Deer Park, these guys have 414 referring domains pointing traffic towards this site through 5,000 links. So definitely another opportunity there is just to strengthen this backlink profile, but not only adding more backlinks, but having backlinks that are powerful. So those are the ones that are sitting on websites that are related to your services. So Google can verify this, and then you will be able to rank at the top. The other section that I wanted to share is the keywords. So right now, I can see that your website is being found for 397 keywords. And in this view, I can see what those keywords are. The search volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and in which position your website is appearing for for those keywords. So you are mainly ranking in the first and second position for your brand. And some of the words in here are actually national keywords. Let's have a look. And the position is in which position your website is appearing for the Google organic search. So anything beyond the 10th, 11th position means that you're already on the second page of Google. For example, Cincinnati Roofers has a search volume of 1,000 and you're appearing in position 23. So most likely on the third or fourth page of Google. If we have a look at HKC, these guys are being found for 951 words. And in here, I can see that they are ranking on the third position for Cincinnati Roofers. And because of that, they are getting an estimate of 120 visits. Roof Repair Cincinnati, search volume 200, first position, they got 65 visits. So basically what you want is that you want to identify what are those keywords with the highest search volume so that we can include them in the website so that Google can find you. And then this means that your website, you're going to be maximizing the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, and a percentage of those potential customers are going to end up in your website. Another percentage, they're going to pick up the phone, they're going to call you, and then another percentage, depending on your rate, your closing rate, you will be able to land them as deals, as customers. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please feel free to use this information to actually improve the traffic to your website, and I appreciate if you can actually just provide me some feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.